Welcome back to my CryptoQ Media channel. It's great to have you back. The 58-cent mark is where we're currently hovering. I had hoped that we would be able to pump much higher when the Fed lowered interest rates. This is the exact location where that happened. For what seemed like 2 cents, we leaped into action. I think a lot of others felt the same way I did, that other cryptocurrencies would also see a big rise. On the other hand, many viewers of other stations will undoubtedly ask, do you realize how bullish this is for crypto? The show is about to start, so brace yourselves. I will just give you the facts because there are a few contradictory stories about this price drop. First, since this is an election year, I think politicians were pressuring the Fed to cut interest rates. A reduction in interest rates is necessary. On the other hand, I feel like very little has changed. Many XRP holders and other cryptocurrency investors are now living paycheck to paycheck as they wait for the market to turn around and give them the freedom they deserve. Consequently, price increases are probable. I am happy to report this. In this video, I'll go over my reasoning for why, should a recession really hit, cryptocurrency prices would surge first. The continued rise in inflation, nevertheless, may cause some people to sell off their Bitcoin holdings. For some reason, I've had this notion for the past 2 years that the Bitcoin sector would witness a deluge of investment cash in 2024. Having said that, I now think that inflation scared off a lot of potential investors. People rarely have extra money to invest when they already pay a hefty amount for necessities, groceries, gas, rent, and mortgage. In other words, I think inflation has changed the way the market looks. For the first time in 4 years, the US Federal Reserve has lowered interest rates, this time by 50 basis points. After 2 50 basis point rate cuts by the Federal Reserve, Zoom cautions, prepare your popcorn. Because a recession has ensued. On September 18, 2007, the Federal Reserve also announced a reduction of 50 basis points. Everyone is familiar with the events of 2008. I will explain in more detail why I think a recession is imminent as we go along. As far as cryptocurrency is concerned, 2024 will be a turning point in their history. One reason crypto's status is slowly improving is because dropping interest rates make risk on assets more liquid. The market will likely respond positively to this announcement since, as is typical, the price of cryptocurrencies rises whenever the Federal Reserve cuts interest rates. A video I uploaded not long ago proved that point. In this case, though, we can see 2007 next to 2024. The Federal Reserve cut interest rates. Is the same disaster that hit in 2008 going to strike again? The present crash, I am afraid, will be even more catastrophic than the 2008 one. My expectation is that bank bailouts will no longer be necessary. In reality, bail-ins would occur more frequently. However, this is a matter that they have the ability to resolve. Everything is set, whenever it comes, they may take advantage of it with the help of a liquidity provider like XRP. Still, I think they've been waiting for this very second. They will let the current financial system collapse so they can reveal the new one. Now is the perfect time to join the digital age since all the pieces are fitting together. You can see, though, when the crash actually happened. Based on my predictions, this is going to start towards the end of this year and conclude in 2025 time period. However, if this happened in 2025, we would already be in the midst of alt season. Crypto would be experiencing a surge in value as a result of everything collapsing. I assure you that you will attain financial independence if you are able to hold onto your XRP and other assets during the upcoming period of higher inflation. If you are planning to invest in real estate and have XRP or other cryptocurrency on hand, now is the time to sell. The bottom will probably be in early 2026 or the first half of 2025. Real estate investors should remember that past is prologue when planning their entry into the industry. We need to break the cycle. It is imperative to modernize the system. Coinbase is the manufacturer of this. The events of 2007 are also being brought up. Some appear to have a good idea of what's to come, while others are attempting to debunk the looming catastrophe by saying things like, "Oh my God, this is it," even if they have no idea what the future holds for the economy. Though smarter people than me can already see the end game, I think the moment has come to act. I think politicians wanted to take advantage of the market's massive reset, so they pushed the Fed to lower rates. Just what is the big reset all about? Simply put, the Great Reset is the phase of recovery that follows a lengthy period of flat or negative market performance across many asset classes. This document from Citibank lays out all the reasons why any investor should not miss out on this opportunity. In the past, when mass panic ensued during market highs, lows, recessions, etc., it was easy to discern when it was a good time to invest again. Not right now, no. This time around, the reset will prevent a recession. To what end, then, is the Citi's assertion justified? The reason behind this is the Citi's sincere concern for your comfort. Please be informed that no further measures will be taken. Make sure you participate. Here is what I want you to know. Something big is about to happen, a reset. There will be a simultaneous increase in the price of XRP and inflation that you will have to contend with. When that happens, a collision will ensue. There will never be another opportunity like this one if you give up now. Crypto will be valued at its fair market worth by late 2024, just when you think things are heading downward. XRP will make a spectacular comeback at the same time. I mentioned it in a video a few days ago, and several people have asked, where are you getting this information from? In conclusion, storing Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in company treasuries is now considered more acceptable due to new accounting standards. The Financial Accounting Standards Board announced new rules for companies that own cryptocurrency in September 2023 because of the unique volatility of cryptocurrencies. The current rules on Bitcoin accounting did not provide for a significant amount to be recognized as an impairment or permanent loss when a company's cryptocurrency assets value fell below its historical cost, which is their market worth when bought. The value of cryptocurrency assets can be calculated using their market price as of the end of 2024. Yes, with the new fair market accounting system in place, market volatility will be reduced. I think this is going to lead to a rise in value for utility-driven cryptocurrencies. The value of Bitcoin could fall as a result of this. This might have a negative impact on Bitcoin's value as Tether, which is useless on its own, is a major factor in Bitcoin's value. This might have a major effect on XRP and other cryptocurrencies, so I'm hoping for a resolution. Businesses and organizations will never be the same if they can borrow money using cryptocurrencies as collateral simply because it's on their books. We are quite grateful for the viewers' presence here. It means a lot to me that you've subscribed and watched my channel. Until then, take care.